These days, kids are active year-round, even in those frigid winter months. So when they start playing outside, I need to know their clothing will keep them safe and warm. That's why I count on Nice Caps. Nice Caps has been family-owned and operated in Minnesota since 1988, so they understand the importance of quality and safe winter apparel for kids. They offer a wide selection of all-purpose outdoor ski gloves that are waterproof inside and out. The gloves also come in a variety of colors and fun prints for boys and girls, including digital camo prints, paisley prints, and more. The gloves will keep your kids' entire hands and fingers super warm thanks to Thinsulate technology from 3M. The elastic in the wrist area allows easy access for your child's hand, and the hook and loop closure allows for a nice tight fit, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off. So from gloves and mittens to accessory sets and headwear, Nice Caps has you covered, no matter what kind of winter plans Mother Nature has in store.